To replace the freezer drawer handle on this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a 2.5mm Allen wrench. Use the 2.5mm Allen wrench to loosen the set screw, securing the right side of the handle. Once loosened, you can shift the old handle to the right to detach. Before you attempt to install the new drawer handle, loosen the set screw in the handle. And confirm the two mounting posts are tight. Align the new handle on the left mounting post, then shift the handle to the left and align it on the right post. Tighten the set screw to secure.